life to live. I'm living the life. That is so cool.
That's cool.
I would do that with my kids too, though. I wouldn't let them go far from me, but I would give them a walkie.
The last place I camped, I had to use.
I wish the window was right here.
I know. It's funny because I know exactly, based on the look of this tent, I can tell you exactly the last place I camped.
Oh yeah.
Oklahoma.
Oklahoma.
The red dirt gives it away. The red clay all over it gives it away.
My hair is itching. That means it's hot. But I literally left my camping cap. Like, I don't have no bucket hat. I don't have anything. But luckily the fan is not the fan. The wind is really blowing, so I may not need my hat after all. We are about to ride the bikes and go and look for some restrooms. So yeah.
About a year old, baby alligator.
That is a normal thing for wow. How are you not scared? That's what I wonder. Probably can't do much to you. That's
No, it's got a little old pin teeth. And as long as I don't put my finger in its mouth, like it will hurt me.
Have you been bitten by one before? No. Okay.
Nope.
Huge.
Okay, can you explain what you just did with this rope?
Well, watch this. There.
So now it's a bundle.
Exactly. I just bundled up the rope.
Instead of it being like, yeah.
So you can just throw it in there or whatever. You know what this is?
No, I don't know what that is.
Battery.
Oh yeah, there it is. It has a USB port on there.
What's this called?
It's the thing that goes on your pants and it connects you to something. Right? What is it called?
It's called a carabiner. They're for climbing, not for connecting things to
Okay, so when you climb, you connect that to
a rope. And well, you usually put like an anchor in the side of the wall, and then you clip that to the anchor, and then you run your ropes through that. Boozy roll call.
and it's not Shabuzi roll call, it's Shibuya roll call.
Oh, what's up?
It don't mean nothing, it's just like a child game. Like a little song.
Shibuya roll call.
It's like that shake, shake, shake to the bottom of the lake I did with you. Go forth.
Ooh.
That smells so good. Holy cow. Fritos. Fritos.
Chili.
Pie.
Ain't nobody had no pie like food and shit.
Bang, look at that.
This is like the basic Frito.
Holy cow. We just need some cheese on top.
Onion, a little jalapeno.
Mm-hmm.
Bam!
Dang. He was not playing.